Okay, so welcome dito sa ating channel. Ito na yung lesson 25 sa ating college algebra. Ito yung ating variation. So, wala nang definite meaning si variation kasi iba yung meaning ni variation in terms of math. Kasi usually higher math yung definition sa kanya. So, pag nag-research ka about variation tapos lower math, ang laging lalabas si direct variation, si inverse, si joint variation. Okay, so proceed tayo agad dun sa types of variation. So, number 1, the direct variation. So, if there exists a functional relation between two variables x and y such that y is equal to a constant times x, then y is directly proportional to x. So, ito yung mahalaga. Y is directly proportional to x. Okay, so in symbol, y is directly proportional to x. This is y, then this is yung symbol directly proportional to x. Okay, or in terms of ating, this is y is equal to k times x, where k is the constant of variation. Constant of variation. So, ano na ibig sabihin? Pag nakita ka ng y is directly proportional to x, that is simply y is equal to k times x. Pag nakita mo z is directly proportional to y, that is z is equal to k x, k, y. Ganun kasimple. So, pag directly proportional. Okay, so next is inverse variation. So, that is, suppose there is a function, there exists a functional relationship between two variables x and y such that x increases and y decreases. This illustrates an inverse relation between x and y, which may be stated in two ways. So first, y is inversely proportional to x. So importante yan. Pag nabasa mo yung word na y is inversely proportional to x, or simply, y is directly proportional to the reciprocal of x. Tama naman, pwede kasing ganun mangyari. Okay, so y is inversely proportional to x. Paano yung magiging symbol natin pag inversely proportional? Okay, this is simply y inversely proportional sa 1 over x. Or simply, or y is equal sa k over x. So, where k again is the constant of variation. So, pag nabasa mo yung inversely proportional, meaning nasa denominator naman siya nung k. Hindi nakamultiply sa x. Tandaan yan. Okay. Okay, so for number 3, suppose a variable z varies as the product of x and y, then the functional equation may be written as, so paano ba yan? Since varies, no? So z varies is equal to k, x, and y. Or pwedeng ganito, z varies directly as x and y. Okay, so ibig sabihin naman joint, possible na meron ditong inverse, possible na meron ditong product, o yung directly proportional. Okay, possible din may cube root, may square root, or what, depende sa binibigay. So, basahan, tandaan mo, pag sinabing inversely proportional, automatic nasa denominator. Pag sinabing directly proportional, automatic nasa numerator. Pag sinabing directly proportional, meaning product. Okay, so yun yung mga tatandaan natin. Okay, or jointly. Pag sinabing jointly, meaning yung dalawang bagay na yun is ipag-multiply mo. So, kunwari, jointly as the square of x and cube root of y. So, meaning cube root of square of x times cube root of y. Ganun yun, nakamultiply silang dalawa. Okay, so para mas ma-appreciate natin yan, syempre, magkaroon tayo ng application na itong mga bagay na yan. Okay, so for number 1, if y varies directly as x and y is equal to 3 and x is equal to 2. Anong tanong? Sabi, y varies directly as x and y is equal to 3 when x is equal to 2. So, hahanapin natin yung value ng y. Okay, so paano ba yan? So, ito yung unang importante. Unang importante gagawin natin dito, hahanapin natin yung value ng okay, kulang yung tanong ko, no? If y varies directly as x and y is equal to 5 and 2, 3 and 2, find x when y is equal to 2. Kulang nga. So, ito, find x when y is equal to 2. Sorry, kulang ng tanong. Ulitin natin, ano yung relationship? Y varies directly as x. So, meaning direct direct variation tayo. So this is y bar is direct. So y bar is directly as x. So meaning this is equivalent sa y is equal to kx. Okay, so anong unang goal natin is may given information una. Yung given information na yan, gagamitin natin para mahanap yung value ng k kasi may panibagong value ng y and x doon. Hanapin natin yung value ng x whenever y is equal to 2. So given tong value to, hanapin natin yung value ng k. So note that y is equal to 3. So ito yung una, hanapin yung value of k. So this is 3 is equal to x times 2. K times 2, that is 2k. So obviously k is equal to 3 over 2. Tama, kasi divide both side by 2. So may value na tayo ng k. Okay, next is gagamitin na natin siya dun sa ating solution. Sabi, find x when y is equal to 2. So lagay natin yung at this is 2 is equal to 3 over 2 x. Sir, bakit? Ito yung y, ito yung k, ito yung x. Ito yung bago. So ito yung bagong y is equal to, so y bar is directly, so 2 bar is directly as x, where k is equal to 3 over 2. So ito yung 2, this is 3 over 2, then this is x. So hanapin natin yung value of x. So therefore that is equal sa, multiply both side by 2, this is 4 is equal sa 3x. Then divide both side by 3, that is x is equal to 4 over 3. Okay, so ganun siya kasimple. Next is, baka kulang na naman to. I think kulang na naman nga. So if y varies inversely as x and equal to 2, as x equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. Varies inversely varies inversely. So kulang yata. Y varies directly as x. As y varies directly, y varies inversely, natama lang as x. Then find, sulat ko lang, find. So find x when y is equal to 2 again. Ganun naman. So ngayon naman, varies inversely siya. So therefore, ano magiging relation siya? So this is inverse variation. This is varies directly as 1 over x. Ganun siya. Or simply, that is y is equal to k over x. So similar goal, substitute mo natin yung mga values na to para mahanap yung k. Then after mahanap yung k, substitute naman yung value to para mahanap naman si x. So solve, this is y is 5. Okay, then k is k, then x is equal to 2. Therefore, what is k? Therefore, k is equal to 10. Okay, next is substitute natin yung constant of variation natin dun sa ating inversely dito yan. So y is equal to 2. So this is 2 is equal to 10 over x. Okay, then cross multiply, that is 2x is equal to 10. Then divide both side by 2, that is x is equal to 5. So therefore the value of x is equal to 5. So napaka easy niya. Next, if z varies jointly as x and y, and z is equal to 1 when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3, find y when z is equal to 2 and y is equal to 5. So napakahaba, no? Z varies jointly as x and y, and z is equal to 1 when x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 3. So sulat mo natin yung relationship. So z varies jointly as x and y. So meaning product lang nila. Okay, so this is in equation, this is z is equal to kx y. Okay, next, substitute natin yung mga value. So gamitin natin yung value. This is 1 is equal to k times ano yung x, that is 4, ano yung y, that is 3. So this is 1 is equal to 12k. Okay, obviously divide both side by 12, that is k is equal to 1 over 12. So may value na tayo ng k. Next is syempre input natin ulit yan dyan sa given information. So ito yung gagamitin. So z, so ano, z is equal to 2, that is z is equal to 2. Okay, then k natin is 1 over 12. Okay, multiplied by find y, no, multiply by x. X dapat to, sorry. Ito eh. So, find y when z is equal to 2. Okay, ito na yan. K is 1 over 12. So, hanapin na doon natin value ng y. So, x is equal to 5. Okay, then ito yung y. Narito ako sa pag-type. Okay, next cross multiply lang muna. That is 24. Okay, which is equal sa 5y. Then divide both side by 5. Therefore, y is equal to 24 over 5. And that is the value of y. Okay, so lagyan natin konting twist para medyo mas sumirap. Next, if z varies jointly as w and square of x and inversely as the cube root of y. So, ang dami, no? Joint na siya. May square root, may joint na siya na direct, tapos may inverse pa. So, sabi, if y is equal to 27, w is equal to 5 over 12, and z is equal to 2 over 5, and x is equal to 12. So, find the value of x when y is equal to 8, w is equal to 7 over 6, and z is equal to 24 over 7. So, sulat mo natin yung relationship syempre. Z varies jointly. That is z varies jointly as w. So, w and the square of x. So, that is w. Square of x is x squared. Okay, then square root square of x. Then inversely as the cube root of y. Inversely, so meaning nakailalim, cube root of y. Okay, so in terms of ating equation, this is z is equal to k w x squared over cube root of y. So, ano unang goal? Hanapin natin yung value ng k. Okay, so una, if y is equal to 27, w is equal to 5 over 12, z is equal to 2 over 5, and x is equal to 12. So, substitute natin, magiging 2 over 5 to, no? So, this is 2 over 5. This is 2 over 5 is equal to k. W is 5 over 12. This is 5 over 12. X is 12. So, this is 12 squared. Then, all over cube root of 27. Okay, next is simplify further muna. So, this is simply 2 over 5 is equal to k is equal to 12 squared divided by 12, 12 na lang. So, meaning parang 5 over 12 na lang to. So, this is multiplied by 5 times 12 all over cube root ng 27 is 3. Okay, then pwede pa tayo mag-simplify. 12 divided by 3, that is 4. So, that is 2 over 5 is equal to 4 na lang to, no? So, 4 times 5 is 20. So, this is 20k. Okay, then, syempre, this is cross multiply na lang muna natin. That is 2 is equal to 100k. Then, divide both side by 100. That is 2 over 100. Then, that is k. Therefore, what is k? K is equal to 1 over 50. So, again, k pa lang yan. So, hanapin daw natin yung value ng x whenever y is equal to 8, w is equal to 7 over 6, and z is equal to 24 over 7. So, check natin. Yung z is 24 over 7. So, this is 24 over 7 is equal to ano yung k? K is 1 over 5. Lagay ko lang dyan. Okay, multiplied by wx squared. Ang hinahanap natin is value ng x. So, w may given then that is 7 over 6. This is 7 over 6. Tapos, x squared. All over cube root of 8. So, simplify mo natin nasa right side. That is 24 over 7 is equal to 1 over 5 multiplied by magiging 2 to. So, this is 7 over 6 x squared over 2. Okay, then simplify natin further itong part na to. This is 24 over 7 is equal to 1 over 5 multiplied by 7 over 6 x squared multiplied by 1 half. Kasi yung 2 nag-reciprocate. Okay, then simplify natin lahat yan, multiply. So, that is 24 over 7. It's 24 over 7 is equal to 7x squared over 5 times 6 is 30 times 2, that is 60. Okay, then saka tayo mag-cross multiply. So this is equal sa 24 times 60 is equal to 7 times 7 is 49 x squared. So 24 times 60, that is 1440. So this is 1440 is equal to 49 x squared. Divide both sides by 49, so that is 1440 over 49 is equal to x squared. Then syempre kunin natin yung square root both side. So what is the square root of 140 over 49? Okay, so ang square root nyan is 12 square root of 10 over 7. So therefore the value of x is equal to 12 square root of 10 over 7. Okay, so tandaan yung sagot na yun. Okay, nagkamali ako ng given, sorry. K is 1 over 50. Ngayon ko lang napansin, no? So this is 1 over 50, 1 over 50, 1 over 50. Okay, so meaning that is 50, sorry nagkamali, that is 50 times 6 times 2, that is 600. So 600 dapat to. So erase tayo dito, x. Kaya napansin, sorry. Buti nakita ko, buti tumingin ako. So next is siyempre cross multiply, that is 24 times 600, that is 1440. So dito na lang, that is 14,400 is equal to 49 x squared. Okay, that is simply equal sa 14,400. Okay, all over 49 is equal to x squared. So try natin yung square root yan. So square root ng 14,400 divided by 49, sorry. Okay, so that is 49. That is 120 over 7. So yun, tama. So this is x is equal to 120 over 7. Sorry about this. Hindi ko napansin. K is 50 pala. 1 over 50. Okay, so that's all for this video. Hoping na nakita mo yung mga technique. Tapos, tanda mo lang yung mga varies jointly. So meaning magkakadate yan. W multiplied by x squared times 1 over cube root of y. Ganun dapat gagawin mo. So pag inversely, automatic na sa ilalim. Okay, so kung paano ko yung gagawin, ganun ka rin mahihirapan dyan. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hoping na manonood ka pa sa mga next video.